After a summertime's worth of West Allis' best bites, Dan and I were ready to explore the sports scene and work off the calories. And of course, put them back on at the Bread Peddlers. Here we meet infamous biker-baker sister duo, Sam and Skylar Schneider, two professional cyclists whose athletic abilities are only rivaled by their breads.
Lucky for us, we have world-class athletes in West Allis, and we also have the Tour of America's Dairyland going to West Allis.
Tour of America's Dairyland is 11 days long. It's the longest race series in the whole country and attracts riders from around the world. So to have everyone coming to our hometown to be able to do such an iconic race is really special. I had just moved to Spain, and one of our morning activities before riding was getting to the bakery to get bread so that it was there when we would finish riding. So I came home and really wanted to make my own fresh bread because it was hard to find. And so I started a bread club baking for friends and family. But then she had the idea to open a bakery. Cooking's always been my love language, so now to be able to bake for strangers that have become friends is really special, and to be able to put smiles on people's faces is a really nice feeling. I always say the more I travel, the more I love home, so yeah, really proud to be from West Allis.
A briefing on bread and biking, we were ready to hit up our next destination, where the love for things on wheels continues with Lisa Coons, the owner of My Auntie's Kitchen food truck and transaction skate shop.
I remember when I was younger, I went to my first skate shop and I was so intimidated going in there. I was like, what, a 12-year-old young girl? And everything was in cases. I had to ask for things. Here, you can just take your time and casually look at the images and see which one you like without feeling pressure to buy anything.
You've been here 8 years. What have you seen change from when you first opened?
Younger girls actually are coming. It starts around 6 to 8, that little, yeah.
And you're just a couple blocks from the skate park here in West Allis?
Yeah, we're 3 blocks away.
3 blocks away. I'm assuming you're like the repair shop for the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They can come freely, use our tools at no charge. We do have parts piece by piece, so they don't have to buy a brand new skateboard all at one time. And then we also have snacks and drinks for them.
Nice.
It's
kind
like
of a
little
neat
family,
community,
a little skateboard
yeah.
community, yeah.
It's
We call
cool.
it Skate Mom, actually.
It was cool. It was really cool. Yeah.
Are you guys ready to skate?
I'm trying to control the city's healthcare costs.
I'm dying.
You got this.
That's the wind. That's the wind of West Allis. Moving me forward.
Yeah.
They see me rolling.
A lesson in skateboarding was in order, but I was ready to get back to what I know best, the food scene. Once again, food and sports are not mutually exclusive, especially when it comes to beer. Tom and I head over to Perspective Brewing Company for one of Ben and Dan's many soccer game watch parties. Owners and brothers, the two were actually both science teachers before opening up their brewery. Chasing their true passions, they quit their jobs and started their business. Sounds like these two have a pretty great life perspective. Although a crisp beer is a perfect ending, we weren't done yet. It's the morning of the Tour of America's Dairyland bike races, where Dan and I cheer on our new friends Sam and Skylar. This community event is sponsored by Mark Lutz, owner of West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop, and many other businesses along Beaches Street, for which he has been a catalyst for positive economic impact.